Good morning, Just Us and everything. We are back with another adventure walk video that no one really watches, but that's okay because I enjoy making videos and I'm going to enjoy making this one. So we're going to be walking along, what's this road called? Champions Forest Drive? Is this Champions Forest Drive? Yeah, Champions Forest Drive. Going under the bridge over here, Champions Forest Drive, to go...
Under the bridge?
Yeah, under the bridge. To go to that abandoned golf course, which used to be Raveneaux Golf Course.
Wait, are we going into the...
Which we wanted to make a little video of the other day, but we didn't get to. I brought my Sony with me, but I'm not going to be able to really use it because we've got a bike, a scooter, and a stroller, and I don't know if Rochelle's going to be able to juggle all three while I'm standing around holding a Sony camera that I can't really put in my pocket and help out. So, anyway, we're off on the walk, so come along with us. This pause feature on this phone is so cool, and I am enjoying using it. It makes it so easy. Everything's just going to be in one clip.
Wait for Mommy.
There is Timber Top right there. That is a condominiums. I lived there once with my family, with my parents, when I was about 11 years old. I used to take my toy guns and run around the garage pretending I was in the movie Die Hard. Until one time a voice came over a loudspeaker telling me that I can't do that. What else are you supposed to do in a condominium? I know that Mary Lou Retton had lived there. She is a famous gymnastics lady. I think she was living there at the same time we were. They're already off for the adventure, the under the bridge adventure. But anyways, all right, that's enough about Timber Top. So, okay, let's see what they've discovered. All right, so what has been a recent theme lately is taking videos of Cypress Creek.
There's a big jungle.
Yeah, it's a drainage pipe that drains into the creek. I'm gonna advise against that right now, to be honest. Maybe another time. I used to explore tunnels like that when I was little, but they were always filled with spiders and all sorts of stuff.
I don't think it's filled with spiders in there. It looks like there's a big hole down there. It looks like it leads up, but I can't see. So I think it's best if I stay away from that area. Oh.
Cool.
Holy cow. Holy cow.
Yeah, the one thing about this is that there's no bathrooms, but there's always a forest. I guess Rochelle and I are going to have to make use of the forest. I don't know, my daughter doesn't have to go to the bathroom ever. And Gabriel obviously is wearing a diaper. He's in the process of being potty trained, but it is, like it was with Alicia, a lengthy process, or it is becoming a lengthy process. Should be nice to come across an alligator or something, or a big giant snake. All right, now let's try to we'll take a fun picture for the video. All right, look at me, stretch your arms out, smile, real big, go like this. Perfect.
Wait.
What can you see up there? Anything?
I could. I need.
Just the wilderness.
Of wildlife.
Wilderness of wildlife.
Hey,
Yeah.
that picture
For the video.
for like the picture so everyone can see me.
Yeah.
Oh, you removed that.
That's why I took it. It'd be a good fun picture for this somewhat of an adventure walk video. There are more foresty areas of this, some back trails. This isn't the area where we found the doll or the pumpkin. That was creepy. Bet you maybe there were some other YouTubers making a video out here or something. A creepy Halloween video. Just about everybody does YouTube these days, including us. I just love making videos. I think it's fun. Like I said, I don't expect this video to get over 100 views, and that doesn't bother me at all. I would be shocked if it did. The road less traveled. Don't know where this goes. I knew we were gonna run into complications when. Well, maybe we should just stay on a path. Stay on the path then.
Okay, I got it.
You're gonna okay. All right, we'll see where this goes. It's really nice out here. This is like a wilderness preserve now, I believe. But I think they're gonna turn it back into a golf course. That's the rumor anyways. That's what my friend told me the other day. You never know what you're gonna come across over here. Oh, actually, I know this area. Yes, we are getting close to the area where we found the pumpkin and stuff. They're slowly making their way. My poor wife having to push all their instruments of transportation, devices of transportation. Instruments of transportation sounds pretty fancy. We're kind of by the area where we were the other day, so maybe we could find the doll and the pumpkin.
What doll and the pumpkin?
What doll and what pumpkin?
We're going the wrong way.
Yeah, well, I think we could probably, I think this goes around, but we'll see.
Oh, maybe, yeah. I think it does. I think there's a little pathway over there.
Oh, I guess a bug got on Gabe. He does not like when a bug gets on him.
It's just a moth.
One time a cockroach flew at him and landed on his shirt, and he screamed and came running out of a bush.
For real? Out of a bush?
Or wherever it happened. I think he was by a bush or in the shrubbery kind of area.
Well, I was kind of in a bush too, but far in the.
Where are you?
Look at it. I think I was like right there. Oh, there's no thorns there.
A lot of thorns right there.
Okay.
It's like the briar patch.
What am I gonna do with my scooter?
Guess you're gonna have to drag it along behind you. Or try to ride on it. The ground's pretty hard. I think I'm going to title this video Peaceful, Relaxing Walk Through a Nature Preserve. That sounds like a nice, has a nice sound to it. Yeah. But we could go that way. And we can go this way. Which way you guys want to go? Hey, there's a path over here, so it might be easier. We'll get back on the path. And there's Cypress Creek again. What? She found something. Is it worthy of video?
I mean, it's like a part of an animal.
Oh, I guess that's exciting. Oh yeah, that's an armadillo shell.
Is it?
Yeah. But what killed the armadillo?
Yeah, we're going there.
What was it? Was it Goat Man?
Kill.
Jerky Man? Slender Man? Or whatever man they have out there in those YouTube genres? Family horror videos. I thought you would know all this. You're the one that watches all those.
Oh, who's Chucky?
Chucky? Chucky's a doll that like comes alive and kills everybody. Good stuff for kids.
That's not good.
No, not at all. I was being sarcastic. Sinkhole. Maybe. Can you see something over there? I think that's where they do rituals and sacrifices. And eyes wide shut kind of
I don't see
get-togethers. Well, I can't really see much of it.
Can I see it?
Oh well. We successfully had a potty break. Well, my wife did, without any interruptions. You never know who could come flying around the corner.
A bicycle. Somebody with a scooter or roller skate.
Yeah.
Or a skateboard.
Or with a video camera recording like I am,
Yeah. That was weird.
and then posting it all over the internet.
Oh, that's weird.
The leaves are definitely starting to change. Fall has finally arrived in Texas. And we're in the middle of December. And it's hot right now. Well, this was a short path. Can we see the chateau from here? I don't think that was the chateau, but all right. This is where the fun begins.
That means don't touch it.
Coyote poop.
Don't touch it with your stick. You're gonna get your stick all yucky. Mom, I think I stepped on it. Yep.
If only I had longer arms or a selfie stick. It looks like a really cool view over there. Cypress Creek. Should do another more Cypress Creek beauty short like I've done the past couple of days. We're trying to go on walks pretty much every day right now as the weather permits and get exercise. I've been personally feeling a lot better. What is that over there? Looks like a golf course over there. On the other side of Cypress Creek. It's quite pretty today with the haze and the lighting out here and the clouds. A lot of ant hills. Ooh, and a bike rider. Maybe we'll find the doll. It's so quiet out here. All right, I'm gonna need to find an appropriate spot for a potty break. Concrete soon, yes. I think I see it up there. Okay. I've done what needed to be done. Now I'm heading back to them. I'm assuming this path goes around and connects to them. Maybe not. Maybe I have to go back around. I think Gabriel might be heading back to the car. I don't think that he is enjoying the peaceful nature walk too much. This goes on for quite a while. We'd have to backtrack anyways. Be nice to have some real good hiking boots. Just go down into these areas and see how far it can get. Interesting. Why it's so peaceful out here. It's definitely a nice place where you can come and go on a walk and center yourself. I had to do that the other day when my children were misbehaving and I was very frustrated. So I decided to walk all around here, relax a little, and then I brought them along one of the following days, and that's when we had come across the pumpkin and whatnot. I better go see what they're up to. Oh, no, they're there. They're currently tormenting a roly-poly. Not tormenting it, but I'm sure it wants to be left alone.
It's hurt.
Maybe you should just let it be. So what's the plan? Are we walking back?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take it back to the car.
Just him? We should probably all go back then, because if I took her that, you'd be waiting forever for us. More coyote poop. Watch out for the coyote poop. Don't run over it. It's right there. Coyote poop. Yeah, or dog poop. Looks like coyote poop though. Yeah, you gotta be careful around those areas. I'm not an expert on canine poop, so you're asking the wrong person what kind it is. I just always thought that coyote poop would be furry because they probably eat a bunch of furry animals. All right, where are we now? Basically. Oh yeah, you have to walk around that. It's a good thing you stopped. You don't know how deep that is. Oh yeah, it is. You better get your scooter.
It needs cleaning.
Your boots might get wet, or your socks might get wet.
Oh yeah, you're right.
slimy trail of some kind. What could have... I bet you that's from a snake. From the... coming up from the little water area over here. Water moccasins are everywhere around here. I have had to save my daughter from stepping on one at Meyer Park. It just crossed our path. It's funny too, I watched one at Meyer Park. They have this area where there are these, mosquito trying to get me, where are these ducks and they lay their eggs. Ooh, something just went in the water up there. Oh, something definitely lives over there. What is that? Anyways, so there's these ducks and they lay their eggs, and one time I saw a snake swimming up to them and just eating all the duck eggs. And then that same snake we saw, that was the one that Alicia almost stepped on. Great story, huh? Looks like it's flooded over here too. I'm probably gonna be covered in mosquito bites after this walk. There's the roof of the chateau. Huge mansion back there on the other side of Cypress Creek. The chateau is right there. You can see the roof. I don't know how you're gonna get around this one. It's muddy on that side and unless you come up and around here.
Mama, I think this area could be okay if you just go a little bit this way.
Yeah, but I don't know her. She could come up around this way.
Mama, come up around this way.
Well, that's one way of doing it. What do you mean your pedals?
Like the lights.
The lights, yeah.
Do they do that every day?
Yeah, when it moves, it lights up.
Mama, look, it's finally working.
It's always been working. They were just probably so dirty, the wheels, you just couldn't see them. One lonely electricity pole. Dead ends here. That's interesting. Or goes underground. Probably goes underground to there. It's like a water something. All right, I think we're gonna head back. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video that will humorously be titled the Nature Preserve, the peaceful, what was I gonna call it? A peaceful walk through a nature preserve that probably nobody will watch. And if you did make it this far, I am absolutely shocked. If you did make it this far, leave a comment and tell me you made it this far and you actually saw the video till the end. That would be awesome. If you feel like it, of course. But, as I always say, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. We will see you soon in the next video, whatever that may be. It'll probably be another nature walk till things start picking up a little bit. Eva will be in town soon, so we'll be going places. It'll be a lot of fun with her. Oh yeah, I think so. tournament. But anyways, viewing audience, we love you. Stay safe out there. Have a really good day today, on whatever day it is that you're watching this. All right, we're out. Bye.